Guys, what's up? It's Mark. This is a 2010 Dodge Ram 2500 SL LARAMIE. It's diesel 6.7 coming. I gotta move kind of quick today because I'm short on time and I have 3 others to do today. So if you get 3 videos, subscribe now. Let me take you a little bit around this truck real quick. 2010. It's got a 26-inch light bar in the front. It's got a nice lift kit. It's probably I'd say run on a set of 320. Let me see the size tires. 325, 60, 20-inch tire. So that probably works out to about 35, I would say. This is a Moto Metal 9, a chrome Moto Metal 962. It's a 20 by, it's probably like a 20 by 9 Moto Metal 962. Chrome, nice wheel. Now this truck, I'm going to tell you give you a heads up on it. The truck does have a little bit of wear and tear. It's got 140-some or 20-some thousand miles on it. Let me show you closely. So you can see right here, it's got a little bit of pitting in the chrome, okay? Not gonna lie, a little bit of pitting in the chrome. I don't know if you can really polish that out or not, but anyways, it's been undercoated. It's really nice underneath. You got some rock chips here. The lift's been on it for a little while, so with the big tires and the lift and all like that, you're gonna have a substantial amount of rock chips. You got a few rock chips down the side, but overall the truck's nice and clean. It's got your, you know, tow mirrors. That's what I love about these trucks. LEDs in the corner right here when it lights the ground up when you open the door. You can't see it, but it's daytime now. This truck has it's been deleted. It's got a tuner. It's got a full exhaust. It's got K&N air filter system. Whole bunch of goodies. Let me show you what's up. Come check it out. And I'll start it up too so you can hear it. Ready? 1, 2, 1, 2. Watch this. Ready? 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Let me show you how bright this friggin' light bar is. It's fucking sick. Super bright light bar. When you go down the road, you can see it. It's really, really bright. They're illegal. Now, here's the deal. In some states, you have to have them either off or covered up. Virginia is exactly that. So you either have to have the light bars covered up, a cover on them, or they have to be completely removed. So let's go check out the inside of the truck. So I'm doing a quick walk around. I'll just show you guys this up. The 20% window tint, nice wood grain, chrome accents, automatic windows. It's got what else? That's pretty much what it is. Check out the inside. Super nice seats. Black leather interior, my favorite. Black, mostly black and chrome and some silver. You got sunroof, automatic rear sliding glass back window. The thing I like about these Cummins is, check this out. You got the center console. It's like a nice deck lid to set your phone on and whatnot. Kind of a slim, low profile right there. Put your documents and whatnot and bullshit. Under here, you have a huge storage area. So you can plug, like, here's your owner's manual for the Dodge. You can put your guns in there, whatever you want, you know? Hide a pound of cocaine, or whatever you call it, a kilo, whatever you guys want to call it, I don't know, but whatever. My favorite thing about this truck and all the Cummins is the exhaust brake. So check this out. You hit one button, right? You hear that plane go on? Go around to the side of the truck. I'll show you again. Ready? Sounds like a goddamn plane taking off. You can't really hear much, but anyways, there's jets taking off behind me. It's got a backup camera, has a whole bunch of goodies. For more information, hit me up, click on the link below, call or text me, 540-848-2974. Let me show you one last thing, walk around here. Oh, don't forget, it's a LARAMIE. Top of the line truck. What's going on? We had a little technical difficulty with an alarm going off that I had on my phone to trigger me to go to the next vehicle because I got 3 today. I'm trying to move at a quick pace to get everything in order, so I'm beating the clock as to where the sun's going down and getting everything lined up and listed for you guys to check it out. So continuing where I left off, you might see a little bit of splice in the video, but continuing, here we go. This is the 2010 Dodge Cummins 2500 LARAMIE. Fully loaded, top to bottom. Obviously it's a LARAMIE. So check this out. Continuing what I was saying, my favorite things about this truck. Check it out right here. Look, this is my favorite thing. The reason why, it's on both sides. Okay, you might not know what it is, people who don't have these trucks, but it's a friggin' cooler. That is the coolest damn shit I've ever seen in my life. You pick it up and you can have drinks in here. You know, if you put a 6-pack of beer, you take it out of the package. After you're done, dump all the water out, put it right back in, close it, go right back to the damn store and grab yourself another 6-pack for the other side. So that's really about it with this truck. Let me show you what's under the hood and follow me. So under the hood here, I'm gonna grab the camera real quick. Under the hood here, we have a whole bunch of block offs and deletes right here. H&S Performance, K&N air filter. Everybody's under the hood today. 6.7 liter turbo diesel, baby. Oh yeah. Studded. It's she's pretty. So nice to go, ready to roll, and that's it. You guys have any questions? Holler at me. 540-848-2974. Over and out.